Hi guys, I want to give you a small update on how things are going in the Netherlands. We got about 1,175 people that died right now. We got 260 recovered. We got about 13,500 that have COVID, and my mom is actually one of them, but she's doing okay, although she has a pacemaker and fibromyalgia, so she is high risk. She was there really early when she started getting breathing problems, and my mom is doing okay. So the thing where they're going crazy, like all the old people are dying, it's not true, okay? There are plenty of people with pre-existing conditions that actually survive, and my mom is one of them. She's doing okay. Okay, so when she first told me, I was thinking, okay, I'm not ready for my mom to leave this planet yet. So, but she's doing okay. And then I started thinking, like, you know, all these conspiracies about global control over the people, and I was thinking like that it's right now we're under global control. You know, the global government has complete control over all the people. And you know what, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna dive a little bit into here. And what I bumped into, and this is really scary, it's called Event 201. It's actually Event 21, like Agenda 21. But the 201 is like they put a little globe instead of the 0. Okay, so it's 2 globe 1 Agenda 21. And I bumped into this like short video that is about, I think, 20 minutes, and it's called Event 201 Pandemic Exercise Short Film, and it talks about what happens if there would be a pandemic right now in the world. And then we all seen the video probably where Bill Gates said, "We're not ready, folks, we're not ready." Well, he's pretty heavily involved. Okay, so I will leave a link for you underneath that the video here, and I suggest, since you're at home, you take that 20 minutes time to watch that video, and you will see what will be happening next, because this pandemic exercise short film shows you exactly the timeline that we're on. Okay, and you can go like, hey, conspiracy, but just look at the date of that film when that was uploaded on YouTube. Just go ahead and do that. Okay, and then when I saw that, I thought, those MFers. Now, being a Christian, I know my revelations. I must have read it like 10 times, okay? I know how the revelation starts. You know, we're going to be all under global control. There will be no small companies left. The whole economy will have collapsed. The economy needs to collapse before that one world leader can stand up and say, "I am your hero," okay? So, the whole economy is collapsing, okay? All the small businesses are collapsing. What is still standing? The big companies are still standing. Walmart is still standing. All the super big supermarkets, all those big Aldi's and whatever, you know, that are globally, all of them are still standing. They actually need staff, okay? And we got all Amazon, YouTube, Google, everything is still standing. The big global companies are still standing. And who is going down? All the small companies. That includes mine, by the way, because you guys right now, you know, no money is coming into your pockets, so you're not buying much patterns, and everybody's going to feel it. Did you know, I'm just a small company. I'm just one of them. But every small, you know, the diner around the corner, you know, that's owned by this little entrepreneur, they're all going down. And then you're going to feel like the economy is going to collapse and nobody will be able to pay their bills. Nobody. Okay? I got a job right now, but when there are no more refugees coming in, and it's slowing down already, it's trickling down. When there are no more refugees gonna come in, I am also going to be out of a job, period. Okay, and then I have to go to the government to hold up my hand to get my benefits. Okay, and I think that we're kind of going there because this economy will be collapsing. A lot of small businesses will not be able to restart. They will not get they will not get the money from the banks anymore because the economy is going so bad. They won't be able to restart. They won't be able to buy hire staff and all things going on. And you know, with all this in my mind, I was thinking like, wait a minute, a long time ago I heard this conspiracy theory way back when about Agenda 21, about, you know, global control and all that kind of stuff. And I thought, you know what, let me dig into that again. And I've been watching several videos, but the best explanation came from Glenn Beck. So if you got another 45 minutes with nothing to do, I suggest you watch that too. I will leave the link for you underneath the video. And you tell me I'm going crazy. Might be too much time on my hands. So let's see what the future brings. But right now you're under global control. And don't you dare walk your dogs all the way in the middle of nowhere, because there will be a drone that will come after you. And then the whole world will fall over you. Maybe that, you know what I was thinking? Maybe that poor guy has coronavirus and he's in the middle of nowhere walking his dogs just so to make sure you won't catch it. And, you know, I think basically everybody's going crazy that's inside right now. I still have a job. Although I have had a cold. I have been inside for like almost a week. And I was watching the news and I saw this news segment on this guy that is inside the store protecting the store, and 3 people burgled it, and he, you know, shot a couple of times at the guys that were breaking in, because, you know, he felt like he's being threatened because there's 3 guys standing there trying to break into the store and you're in there. So he by accident shot one of them, and now he's in jail and the 3 are out. And they're letting all the prisoners out. But they can put this guy that's trying to protect the store and his own life in jail. You explain that to me. They're letting all the prisoners out. I think, guys, before this is over, all hell's gonna break loose. But you watch the Event 201 pandemic exercise short film and you tell me I'm going crazy or if I might have a point. And then we can discuss that in another video. Okay, bye guys.